Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix black screen error in Google Chrome or Google Chrome showing black screen problem. So let's go through it. So the first method is to add parameters in target field. So for that, you just need to copy the parameters that I mentioned in the description. This is the parameter. You just need to copy it, then go to shortcut of Google Chrome, right click on it, click on properties under target. Here you need to type or paste the parameter that I have mentioned in the description and then click on apply and OK. After this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to set Angle Graphics backend to default. So for that, you first need to launch Chrome and you need to type Chrome/flags. You just need to copy it and then press enter. In the search bar, type choose angle. So I will show you what to do. Just launch Chrome. After that, after it opens, now here you need to search for choose angle, and yes, make sure this is set as default. So after this, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to reset settings on Chrome. So for that, open Chrome, then go to settings and go below and click on reset settings. So you need to open Chrome, then click on go below, click on settings. After that, here you need to go below and here it is reset settings. Simply select it and after that click on reset settings. So after reset settings, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to run Chrome in compatibility mode. So for that, go to the shortcut icon on your desktop. Next, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on compatibility and here click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, or you should run or select Windows 7 and after that hit on apply and OK, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to disable Google Chrome add-ons or extensions. So whatever extensions you have, you should disable it to fix the problem. So for that, go to Chrome and then open settings. After that, go below. Here you can find the extension. Whatever extensions are there, simply you need to disable them, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to update Google Chrome. So for that, launch Chrome, then go to Chrome. This is the path about Chrome and here you can see if there is any update available. So for that, launch Chrome. After that, go to settings. After clicking on settings, now here you need to click on about Chrome and here you can see that it's checking for updates. If any update is available, you simply need to click on update option, and once the update is finished, restart your system once. After restarting, now check if the black screen error on Google Chrome is fixed or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix the black screen error on Chrome that you are coming across on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.